Hi everybody, my name is Jeff Gullickson and I work for Loffler Companies. I'm an IT Solutions Manager here and I'm here today to talk to you about what Office 365 can mean to you and your business in 2018. Let's start with the fact that most people don't really know what Office 365 is. Okay? Office 365 is kind of like the Mall of America. Okay? It's a big shell. You can't buy the Mall of America, but you can buy things that are inside it. And that's the key to Office 365. Some of the things inside of Office 365 are something as simple as email and calendaring, collaboration, okay? So if your business just wanted to have a professional presence with email, you can buy that from Office as part of Office 365, okay? Just one component. Let's say you simply want to have the ability to collaborate on a website called SharePoint. Okay? SharePoint is one product within Office 365 that could definitely leverage your business, being able to share documents in a central repository. Some of the other things that you can do, video conferencing, using Skype for Business. Okay? You could do things like OneDrive. Okay? OneDrive, you actually get a terabyte of information that you can use for personal or business use. One of the other things that we're excited about is a product called Teams. Okay? It's a workgroup collaboration tool that we're very excited about. Because how often are you working in a small workgroup with lots of files, lots of pictures, lots of communication, and you want to just work together with your workgroup? Well, Teams is a way for you to do that. Finally, something that's really exciting with Office 365 is they are now getting into the telephony space. So something as simple as having your own personal phone number without having to buy an entire phone system. You can just have phone numbers for each person in your business. And the key to Office 365, everything's a service. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to come up with a whole bunch of cash. You can simply do it as a service. That email that I was talking about, that's as little as $5 per month per user. So again, the Office 365, just think of it. It's a big program with a whole bunch of products underneath it.